What's up YouTube? Jeff back again today. Another very exciting tech video for you guys, and we have it in the house today. The Galaxy XR is officially here. The box looks so sexy, and I'm really glad to get into this one today. Gonna do a quick unboxing. I also have the travel case, which I also purchased. I purchased the gaming controllers too, but they actually came to my house, and right now I'm doing this unboxing at my YouTube studio in downtown Phoenix, so perhaps I'll add that in later with the gaming controllers. Anyway, we got a very large box, as you guys can see there, giggity, as Flossy Card would say. Go ahead and take the pull tabs here, pull that one, no unboxing knife needed. Let's see here, get the other one on the other side, right there. It's probably gonna fall open, so I need to be careful. A little remnant there. You do have the Android XR branding right there, if you guys can see that on this side. Let's see what else is on the back of the packaging. It just tells you a little bit about the Galaxy XR. As you can see, Samsung kind of general branding, silver shadow. It tells you the storage, which is 256. That is the only storage configuration available. You got your Samsung logo on the other side right there. Pretty large box. It's actually a bigger box than I thought it would be in, like I said. And taking the box off there, the top, set that to the side, we have the Galaxy XR headset. There it is. Samsung branding on the front. Got your nice cover. I mean, it does feel really premium, which, you know, I would hope so, considering it's 1,800 bucks. But keep in mind, this is a lot cheaper than what Apple has on offer with the Vision Pro, with a few key differences, of course, which we've also outlined over at SammyGuru. I'll drop some of our articles below. But still, over half the price, which is very impressive. You can see all the various sensors around there. You can see your lenses there. Now, I do wear prescription glasses, so I had to order the inserts, but I'm still going to try this on because my buddy Saki Tech, who actually unboxed this before, I think pretty much anyone on YouTube the other night, he also uses glasses, and he said he tried it, and it works just fine with glasses. So we're going to give that a shot. Now, this is a proper unboxing experience. Now that we have the top of the box off, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, crop in here a little bit with the camera, so we don't have to worry too much about getting these details. Everybody can see what's in here. And there's a lot to see, because usually with phones, right, there's nothing to see in the box. But in here, you've got quite a lot. You got some extra inserts here. See if I can get these in focus for you. Right there. As well as back here, right there, it says thick on it. You guys can see. And then this one, and then this one says slim right there. So that's what you get on the left side, which says accessory on the bottom flap. Over here, you've got power. In addition to the power, you also have the manual and lens cleaning cloth, which we'll open and have a look. And hey, look at that. You actually don't have to pay extra for the lens cleaning cloth, you know. Premium polishing cloth. This is like a $20 value. It's got Samsung branding on it. It's a $20 value if you bought it from Apple. So, you know, only is the price lower of the XR, you get extra value because you get the polishing cloth for free. What a steal. Samsung is just, you know, giving us a great value all around. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wish we could see this with our phone boxes again. Charger and cable. Now, if you order from SammyGuru your Galaxy S26 device, you will get a charger and cable because we are giving a free 65-watt charger in every box, in addition to all the other accessories. So check that out below. But of course, Samsung doesn't put them in there, but you do get those with your Galaxy XR. And of course, because just like the Vision Pro, you need a battery pack to attach to the XR. You're going to get that right here. This has got a proprietary connector there, USB-C on the other end. You guys can see that right there. You'll plug that in right there when you connect it to the XR. So that's what you get. It says on the back of this guy, slide to lock. So it's going to go right in there on the XR headset, and that's where that's going to go. I think that's everything. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like that's everything that comes in the package. Still a lot of stuff in there though, man. I mean, considering we get nothing with our phones these days, I mean, I'm pretty impressed overall. So let's take a look at the headset again. I imagine you're actually going to need the aforementioned polishing cloth because already I can tell this is going to get some fingerprints. Again, you do have those inserts that they gave you. You can see here the thin and the thick ones, which you can use obviously depending on your needs, depending on the size of your head. Let's see where the charging cable goes, because I'm not actually sure. It's right there actually on the side. So when you get ready to charge it, you're just going to slide this, I guess, to lock it right along there, and then just plug that other one into the power outlet, and you already have your charger, so you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on. It does feel surprisingly a lot lighter than I thought. I did try some people's Vision Pros. I don't own one myself. It's my first ever XR headset, which is why I'm so excited about it. Not only the fact that I'm a Samsung fan, but also the fact it's my first XR or VR headset. I've never owned a MetaQuest either. I want to try to put this on with my glasses on, test out if it works. I do have prescription inserts coming, so of course I'll be using those when I do get it. But let me go ahead and go through getting this on my head and see what I think. Well, guys, I have a little bit of bad news, for me at least. I'm super excited to try this, but there's no way with my particular glasses that the headset will go on and actually work and be visible. I mean, I can get about half of my glasses in here. Maybe my prescription's just too thick. Also, these frames, unfortunately, they kind of push out a little bit from my face. Something my kids also don't like. So unfortunately, I'm probably gonna have to wait to use this properly until I get my optical inserts for my prescription. Now, I can't really see very well at all with my glasses off, but if I do take my glasses off, the fit is actually fairly nice. I put in the slim adjuster for the forehead. It works great. I'll still have to put the light shields in here, but overall the fit and like the overall weight of this feels very nice on the head. It's just that I'm not going to be able to use it properly or be able to see or enjoy it too much without those prescription inserts. And that unfortunately is still kind of a downside of XR, is that if you do wear a prescription, you may have to pay extra for those inserts, and then not only have to pay extra for those inserts, but you may have to wait longer. I think about another week for me to get those prescription inserts. Even though my glasses are probably going to prevent me from using it for a few days, I wanted to also show you guys the aforementioned Galaxy XR travel case. You can see it right there. This thing is a whopping $250 on Samsung's website, which just seems absolutely insane, but I figured we would take a look at it and see if it's worth anywhere near that. I will say, taking it out, it does feel fairly premium. I don't know if it's $250 premium, but it's got a soft cover on the front, so it's going to absorb a lot of that impact. I don't know exactly what it's made of, but it's got like a soft cover on the front. It's got some texture to it. You can see the shape. It's got a really thick rope handle here, which does have some Samsung branding, which you guys can see right there. Close up of that Samsung branding on the rope handle, which looks nice. Let's go ahead and unzip it and kind of see how this looks. They've got some like paper right there, or a little bit of a stopper. Let's go ahead and unzip it, see the inside. Yeah, it's pretty nice, honestly. I don't know what this is. Apparently we need a guide even for our travel case for the XR. There's some paperwork there. This will allow you to put your various accessories, allow you to put the front piece in there, and then I think this will allow you to put like your charging accessories, other things like that. So you've got for your power bank, your cables, you know, perfectly fit obviously for it. Let's take a look here and see. All right, so here's the XR head unit itself. I guess it fits kind of like that. You may have to completely, let's see, can you put it in there with the light shields? Let's see, or do you have to take all that apart? Let's see, no, if you just ramp that down all the way, you get a pretty tight fit in there, honestly. So that goes right in there. You put your charging cable in there. Of course, you've got space for your power bank. Let's see how that goes in there. So here's the space to put your power bank right in there. That's a perfect fit as well. Right in there like that. And then you got a spot for your charging cable as well, which you can go ahead and put in there. Oh, you can put your other cable in there as well. So actually, let's see. They've thought everything. So there's the power cable. You got your USB-C cable to actually charge up for that. You can put that in there as well. So you could really put, I guess this is supposed to be for one of the charging cables perhaps. Maybe that's supposed to be the one for your charging cable for the actual XR power bank that you connect it to the XR. And then this side over here is for actually charging up the power bank. So I guess this is supposed to slide in here. I don't know. I may just throw there might be enough room. You can throw that in there. But I think this is fairly simple. I think Samsung's intending you to put this right there. And there is your fully assembled travel case. Let's see how that closes up. And there you are. For $250, you're ready to grab this rope. I guess you could attach it to your luggage or something like that. Everyone will know you've got a Samsung Galaxy XR unit, and you can use this on your travels. Anyway, I'm a little bummed out that I'm going to have to wait for my prescription inserts to use it fully and properly and give a review. But hopefully you guys see this travel case. If I get a chance to do the controllers and unbox those, I'll insert this into the video. If not, maybe I'll make a separate video once I get those inserts. Let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy XR. Super excited to try it out. Subscribe again to check out all the great content. SammyGuru.com for the mystery box. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.